Like,
hey YouTube, it's been a little while because life has been very hectic for me. I had the birth of my second child, my second son, 2 boys, crazy busy with that. And I also moved to this new house, and this new room is going to be my office, my YouTube studio, my little content creation hub. So hopefully I'm going to be able to produce a lot more content for you guys going forward, and I'm really upping, I hope, the level of quality. Maybe not with this video because I'm recording this on my iPhone 8 Plus. It should do a pretty good job though, but I'm hoping to have a couple of camera setups. This back wall is hopefully going to be either black or grey. I might show you some of the colours once I've got them on the wall. I'm even thinking about setting up Beardster Beard Care, the product side of this little venture that I'm doing. So maybe last October I stopped making, producing, selling beard care products. I made oils, balms, beard butters, and the reason I stopped was I did a bunch of consultancy work in my day job and it got a little bit too busy, but I kind of miss it, and I've got room in my garage to set up a production hub. That was something that was really limited in our previous house. I only had a tiny little kitchen, probably not much bigger than this room, and we had a lot of stuff on the side, but I can actually set up it all very safely, very hygienically in the garage. And hopefully you guys might actually want to try out some of the products that I personally have made and tested over several years. The beard butter is probably the product I will launch with if I decide to do it again, and there will be a Kickstarter campaign for that beard butter just to see if there is a demand. If there isn't, I'm not going to waste my time. I'm just going to spend more time making awesome videos for you. Let me know in the comments if it's something you're interested in checking out the beard butters. They're all natural. They last probably like a 60ml jar will last you easily 1 month, but probably 1 to 3 months. That's kind of my take on it. I use it morning and night, and I've still been using them all the way throughout the year, and it's done wonders for my beard. I actually haven't found a product, sound biasy, sound salesy, that comes close to the beard butter I've made. And you can tell, guys, like on my channel I've reviewed a lot of incredible products, but equally on the same note, and this is kind of me being honest and transparent, the beard oils and beard balms I used to make were nowhere near up to the standard of some of the other brands. Hence why I'll probably still review other brands that weren't only making butters, and if I do decide to bring out an oil or a balm in the future, they need to be just so good. Anyway, it's been fun getting in front of the camera and talking to you. I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.